Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share this video that now you can opt in to get your own IP pin, which used to be back in the day where you had to be affected by identity theft in order to get it. Now they have changed that and brought it out where everybody can qualify for identification PIN number to put on their tax returns each and every year, and you can even have them done for the whole family, as long as they can be identified through the process that they send you through to getting your IP pin done. And so, in this video, I'm going to share with you what this look like, and inside of the description of the video, I'm going to leave you some information that you can click on that's going to have some forms that's linked to that process of being able to get your IP pin done if you want to opt into the program. It's voluntary. And also taxpayers must pass a rigorous identity verification process. Spouses and dependents are eligible for IPPN if they can verify their identities, and IPPN is valid for a calendar year. People must get a new PIN each filing season. The online IP PIN tool is offline between November and mid-January each year. Correct IP PIN must be entered on electronic and paper tax returns to avoid rejection or delays. Taxpayers should never share their IP PIN with anyone but their trusted tax provider. The IRS will never call, text, or email you requesting the IP PIN. People should beware of scams to steal their IP PIN. There currently is no opt-out option, but the IRS is working on one for 2022. And so that's the latest updates on being able to opt into the program of getting an IP pin for yourself to protect your tax returns from being fraudulently filed without your consent. And so if you want to opt in and have your own pin that you will get every year, which is a 6-digit number that they will send you out in the mail, then you definitely can do that. And then once you're able to get the pin number and you got to have an online account, then you're able to use the tool where if for whatever reason they sent out the pin number, but it got lost in the mail, then you can go online and retrieve the pin number through the online process. And so that's how that'll work for people who currently get an IPPN right now. It says options for taxpayers who can't verify their identity online. So if you can't verify your identity online, then they have another option. It says taxpayers who adjust the gross income is 72,000 or less may complete Form 15227, and that's the form I'm going to leave you in the description of the video that you can click on and check out and examine for yourself, which allows you to apply for the identity protection personal identification PIN number, which what that stands for. And then it says, and mail or fax to the IRS. A customer service rep will contact the taxpayer and verify the identity by phone. Taxpayers should have their prior year tax return for verification process. Taxpayers who verify their identity this way will have an IP pin mailed to them the following tax year. This is for security reasons. Once in the program, the IP pin will be mailed to these taxpayers each year. Taxpayers who can't verify their identity online or by phone and are ineligible for file Form 15227 can contact the IRS and make an appointment at a taxpayer assistance center to verify their identity in person. They'll need to bring 2 forms of identification, including one government issued picture identification. Taxpayers who verify their identity in person will have an IP pin mailed to them within 3 weeks. Once in the program, the IP pin will be mailed to these taxpayers each year. Confirm identity theft victims. Current tax-related identity theft victims who have been receiving IP pins by mail will experience no change. Taxpayers who have confirmed identity theft victims or who have filed identity theft affidavits because of suspicious stolen identity refund fraud will automatically receive an IP pin by mail once their case are resolved. And so this is the latest updates on being able to opt into the program and being able to get an IP pin for yourself and your family if you choose to go that route. And so the IP PIN stands for Identity Protection Personal Identification Number. That's what that all stands for. So if you want to opt into the program and go through the process of getting an IP PIN for yourself and even the people that's going to be on your tax return, if they can be verified, then you can truly do so. And if you don't want to do it for the whole family, but just you, then you definitely can. So these are the steps that you must go through to make that happen. And I'll leave the application inside the description of the video so you can click on it and check it out for yourself, which will allow you to see if there's something you want to go through the process of making happen. So the form again is called Form 15227, and it's here right here on the screen. And the application for identity protection, personal identification number is what this application stands for, and this is how it looks, and this is the information they ask you for, and you'll fill out everything that applies to you. And you can fax it over if you have faxing capabilities, or you can mail it in. The choice is yours. So this is one of the updates when it comes to Irs.Gov Ip Pin situation. In the past, it was all about people who were affected by fraud through identity theft through tax returns, but now they come up with a program where you can now opt in even though you haven't been affected by identity theft at all at this point. And even though they don't have an opt-out program, they're working on having it where you can opt out of that situation if you decide to voluntarily opt in. So if you want to learn more about this situation, as I learn more, I'll do another video to update you on the process if they have an opt-out situation. So right now the site is closed down to mid-January, and once the site opens back up, I'll do a follow-up video to let you know it's up and running, and so you can take action on applying for IPPN for you and even your family if you would like to. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, please leave me a positive comment. And if you looking to start your own tax preparation business, I have a full-fledged coaching program which is designed to help you make that happen. Um, and I'm doing a special right now that lasts to January the 5th, where you can join my course and work with me for 18 months for a one-time flat fee that it'll never be this price again. And to find out what that price is, you can call me at 773-782-1320. And I'll see you in my next video.